after some time, I finally made up my mind. She is the girl, and I really want to make her mine. I'm searching everywhere to find her again, to tell her I love her and I'm sorry about the things I've done. I finally stand in front of the church, the only place in town where I need to search. She looks so happy in a wedding dress, but she's crying while she's singing this. Boy, I miss your kisses all the summer. This is 25 minutes too late. Though I'll travel so far, boy, I'm sorry you are 25 minutes too late. Against the wind, I'm going home again. Wishing me back to that time when we were more than friends. But still I see her in front of a church, the only place in town where I need to search. She looks so happy in a wedding dress, but she cried while she was saying this. Boy, I miss your kisses all the time, but this is 25 minutes too late. Though you travel so far, boy, I'm sorry you are 25 minutes too late. Out in the streets, places where hungry hearts seems nothing to eat. Inside my head, still I can hear the word you say. Boy, I miss your kisses all the time, but this is 25 minutes too late. Though I've traveled so far, boy, I'm sorry you are 25 minutes too late. Boy, I miss your kisses all the time, but this is 25 minutes too late. Though I've traveled so far, boy, I'm sorry you are 25 minutes too late. I can tell her say.
Para sa inyo, Abu Dhabi YouTube, of course, sa Superman nating fanatics. Thank you. Shout out